Hey guys, I'm Justin Mitchell. We're here at the beautiful MarineMax Dallas, and I am hanging out outside this awesome 2021 NXT22. As you can tell, this is Raider Red inspired. Awesome black and red exterior, and then just a murdered out solid black interior. I can't wait to show you. This real aggressive boat is fitted with that 6.0 liter ILMOR engine. It is enough to get you and your entire crew across the entire lake all day. And of course, while we're representing our favorite guy, Raider Red over here. I was a Texas Tech student for 3 years, and I ran their wakeboard team for all 3 years. So this boat just screams Texas Tech to me. As you can see, this boat is just absolutely beautiful with this beautiful dark black interior. Coolest thing about it is it is cool touch. I know right now I do have a cloud that has happened to come over, but this boat has been sitting out here for about 3 hours in the sun, and as you can see, I can just touch it all day. I've been climbing in and out of this boat, wiping it down, and this stuff does not get hot. You can walk around barefoot all day, touch it. You never have to worry about putting towels down. This boat will stay cool for you. One of my favorite things about the NXT is it still gives you those traditional dials, so you're never sitting there searching, where are my vitals, what speed am I at, what are my RPMs at? They're always just right there. You're never having to dig around the screen and look for different functions and everything. All the major functions are just right here on some easy to find and easily labeled switches. And then of course this boat is fitted with JL audio system. You will be the loudest boat on the water. My name's Justin Mitchell. We're here at MarineMax Dallas, and this was the NXT22. Don't forget to smile.